In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Notion dashboard from scratch. We'll start from a blank page and end with a clean, focused space you'll actually want to use every day. Begin by creating a new page. Give it a clear name like dashboard, so you can find it quickly later. Add an icon and a cover to make it visually distinctive. Small visual cues help you recognize the page at a glance. Before you add content, open the top right menu and switch to full width. This gives you more room for columns and widgets, so your layout doesn't feel cramped. Next, lay down a simple structure. Use the / command and type H2 to create headings such as tasks, projects, or whatever categories fit your workflow. Between major sections, insert a divider with the / divider command. These lightweight separators keep content readable and help your eye move smoothly through the page. Now set up your databases. If you want a spreadsheet-like view, use the table view. If you prefer a more visual, card-based approach, choose the gallery view. Add useful properties. A checkbox for marking items complete. A date for deadlines or start times. A relation to connect this database to others, and a status field to track stages like to do, in progress, or done. Keep property names short and consistent, so filtering and scanning stay fast. To surface only what matters on your main page, create linked views. Use the / command for a linked view of database, pick your master tasks or projects database and then display just the items you care about. Like do today. This keeps your dashboard focused while the full database can live neatly on a separate page. You'll interact with the linked view here and maintain the master elsewhere. Customize the layout by dragging and dropping blocks to form columns. You can resize each column to prioritize what you need most. Consider adding a callout block as a mini navigation bar or to highlight essentials like a quick AD link to your tasks or a reminder for the day. Callouts stand out, so use them for items you don't want to miss. Enhance your page with widgets and collapsible sections. Use the embed command to add external widgets like a weather panel or a clock. If you want to keep things tidy, create toggle blocks for sections like notes, reference, links, or archived items, so you can expand them only when needed. That's your foundation for a practical, streamlined Notion dashboard. Customize gradually, review what you actually use, and let the page evolve with your routine. Thanks for watching.